All right, man. Let's continue the project. See that where the camera will be fit in my sparring bot. Okay, and the camera can go right here, right here, right here. And let me show you what is the sensor I will try to use in this robot. Okay, the first one is the ultrasonic sensor. I will try to use it. Let me show you. This is the support for this. I try to use it in that position. Let me show you the position. I think this position right here, man. Okay, this is the first one I will try to use. Okay, let's continue the sensor. Okay, the second one is the Sharp IR sensor. Spark Seed Studio. A number is a I can hear it, man, but it's a sharp one. Let me show you this one. This sharp one is a 2Y0A02F2Z sharp. It's a sensor. I try to use it in the here or in that position, man. Let's see. And I have another one. Here is another one. Sharp, a sharp. Okay, this one. Okay, I can use it in that position. Yes. All right, this is the second one. The third sensor is this one. This is a light sensor. Let me show you. Light sensor. Sorry. Yes, let me show you the light sensor, man. Let me show you one. I have four of them. This one is for light sensor. The sensor right here in the light sensor right here. You can use it in that position. Let's see another one. This one is awesome, man. Let me show you. This is a awesome line follower robot. This is very, very interesting sensor, man. The name of it YL17. There is no name in the board. I will put it right here, man, the name of this board. And this one is for our control 4 system. Okay, and we use it in that position. I have to use it where I have to work it to see where I can use this one. Okay, the other one sensor is not a sensor, it's a light sensor. This is infrared sensor, or sorry, laser sensor. I can use it right here somewhere to point where the camera are pointing. Okay, and the last one is the sensor. This is MPU 9265. MPU 65. This is a IMU sensor. This name right here, and that's it. And that is the camera pixie right here. And thank you for watching. Bye, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.